Today, we're going to install the Marketplace SID. Time to say goodbye to the Judy. Brake caliper. Got some Loctite on it. 2.5. I'll remove my top cap. I've got this tool I 3D printed, a dummy fork. Try that out here. I'll just put this down there, in place of the fork. Hold everything in place, I guess. Alright. That didn't go quite as planned. Never does. Not bad. There's the Judy. The ever worn out Judy. It's clean. Those fork tubes are shot. Got the SID here. Just stick that on there. The gap in the back. Yeah. Just like that. So the Judy, 4 pounds, 5.8 ounces, 5.6. SID, 3 pounds, 8.8. That's substantial. Now this thing does have 3,000 miles on it. Or more, and I'm gonna race it all year, so I should probably check the bearings a little better before I just slap a new fork in there, huh? At least wipe it out a little bit, clean off the frame. Appears to be a sealed bearing. I guess we just slip the new fork in there, huh? We better measure the tube sticking up, huh? Good shape. Really not too dirty in here. Got some grease in there, that's good. We're just gonna put it back together. Six and 3/4. Cut a little bit off of her. So then, I'm gonna use a plumber's tool here. Nice clean cut. Alright, we'll see what she looks like on here. Looks good, huh? Loosen this up. Just gonna eyeball it for now. I'll leave that loose till we figure out a brake line situation. Like that. Alright, I got this lockout lever here. I'll put it like right there, huh? Okay, so the cable they sent me is too short. So I got this housing it's from the Bear Grease. I gotta run it. I gotta cut a new cable for it. Housing. Cable housing. It's never gonna change the length from there to there. We can run pretty direct, but probably just run it like that, huh? About that long. Alright, so we're gonna try that. Ends on nice and tight. Looks like I got the handlebars pretty straight. You gotta come a little bit that way. We need to cut some cable off. Put a thingy on it. There. See if I can get used to that. That's the Marketplace SID. We should debadge it. Leave the rock shocks on there.